So today's video is going to be a wig try-on haul. I don't know why y'all love these hair videos so much all of a sudden, but if y'all want more hair videos, I will give y'all more hair videos. So I have 4 wigs that I'm going to try on. All of them are pretty different from each other, I would say. They're all different lengths, different styles. Actually, 2 of them are pretty similar. They're both curly wigs, but the other one is a bob and the other one is like 24 inches like length, honey, length. I'm going to show you guys this hair. I got it from Klaiyi hair. I'll have all the links in the description below if you guys are interested in picking up any of these wigs. But yeah, let's get started with this video. If y'all don't know about Klaiyi hair, I've personally used them before. How did I find them? I actually found them from Domo. Like, if you guys don't know Domo Music, I think that's her account name. So I'm really excited to see how these wigs look on me. So let's get started. I already have my hair cornrowed. I go like every week and a half to get my hair cornrowed. And you're probably like, bitch, you can't do it yourself. No, I cannot braid hair. I can't. I need to like sit back. I need to actually learn how to do it, but I haven't taken the time. So the first wig we're gonna start with is an 8-inch one. This is a straight bob. As you can see, I already cut the lace off of it. I'm gonna be real with you. I think I cut off a little too much lace. This is why I go to my wig lady and she does this for me. So I think I might have cut off a little bit too much lace, but I think I could definitely get away with this and wear a headband or something with it, okay? This wig just feels so lightweight and like that makes me so excited. Because every time I wear wigs, I don't know, maybe just the ones I get, I always get such heavy, thick hair and the back of my neck is always sweating. So let's see how this one looks on me. Let's turn to the mirror. There are clips, by the way, you guys. Oh, here we go, just like this. Okay, so far I look like a cashew from the Proud family. Oh, we're about to do an honest fucking review. So first of all, I look like I have a triangle, and this is what you want to avoid when you're wearing wigs, ladies. Like, I'm just gonna throw that out there. You do not want to look like your head is going up in a triangle. So I'm gonna have to like, obviously once I like straighten it and like fix it and stuff. Ooh, why did that make my forehead look real big? Just straighten down this, cause this little orangutan hump, baboon hump that I have on the back of my head going on is not cute. That actually looks like it might be growing from my head. That's kind of crazy, that's weird. I thought I cut the lace way too much. But yeah, I need to like sit down and like really flat iron this wig. When ordering short wigs like this online, you have to have patience because I have actually ordered a ton of short wigs. Like if you look at my closet, I have so many bob wigs in my collection versus like long and curly ones or just long ones in general. And when they come in the mail, it is not going to look like the way it's gonna look when you're done like plucking it, when you're done straightening it, styling and stuff. Like, I don't know if that's just the way like short wigs work, but every time I've ever ordered one, it's always looked kind of funny until I actually like went in and did it. So the density of this hair is all right. It's not like super thick, but if you're somebody that doesn't want a lot of hair on top of their head, then this is the way to go. This is more of like a natural density. I have not plucked anything. It already came with its own like natural like part, which I think is pretty cool, so I didn't have to do that myself. I think the other ones though, I'm gonna have to. The other ones I'm probably gonna end up taking to my wig girl so she can like, I don't want to mess them up. But yeah, the density is all right. I would say this is like normal density. This is like the option before you have to pay like the extra 100 to make it like super thick. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It is a lace front, so this is all lace. You can part it wherever you want. There are 4 different combs. There's one here, and then one at the bottom, and then of course the adjustable straps. I personally like to have like bands sewn in on the inside of my wigs, and that's what makes it like stay on. This one I am really excited for. This is the 20-inch curly wig. As you guys can see, we got some real curls going on. So I'm really excited about this one because like I said, I haven't seen myself in curly hair in a really long time, so this is exciting for me. As you can see, I got all of the wigs in the same color. That's what I'm into right now. I am into like this natural brown and like lighter browns. For fall time. Some people like to go like jet black, but I feel like jet black looks a little too harsh on me, so I'm gonna go back to just doing like regular browns. So this is 20 inches of curly hair. This is also a lace front. This is how it comes. I haven't cut the lace on any of the other wigs. It's already pre-plucked, so you have like a little bit of baby hairs to cut and work with yourself. Just like the last, this one has 4 combs inside of it as well. So let's see how this one looks on me. I'm like really hoping this looks good because This is my natural hair pattern. So if anybody has ever wondered like how curly my hair is naturally, this is literally exactly like to a T. Watch my last update, you can kind of see like my hair texture of it. Let's see. I'm not gonna put the clips or anything just cause, nah. Oh my gosh. So yeah, they give you some baby hairs already. It's already pre-plucked and everything. There is not a like part. I mean, like there's one, but you have to like pluck it yourself. So when they say pre-plucked, sometimes I'm like, is it really though? I'm gonna get some water. Let me see, where's a little spray bottle? The cool thing about these kinds of wigs is all you gotta do is spray some water in it and mess with it a bit. Pull it out, make that shit look real thick and juicy. Bitch, why am I thinking about turkey? So obviously this is not the final look. So if anyone's like, oh girl, child, obviously I have to like style it and adjust it to my head and all that extra stuff. But this is a good wig. This is not bad at all. I've ordered from them before and I've been impressed. So I was looking forward to trying their wigs. I've tried their bundles before. So I'm excited to like, or I was really excited to like see their actual wigs and stuff. But you guys can see, this is the curl pattern. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this one. I like the way I look with curly hair. I will definitely be dropping this one off to get it customized because obviously it's not gonna look like this when it's all installed and stuff. So this is the same wig, but this one is 16 inches. Now the reason I got this is because I wanted to compare, because when you buy curly hair online, I've done it before, I bought bundles and I bought like 18-inch curly bundles and I get them and I'm like, damn, this shit looks short as fuck. So I wanted to see what 16 inches would look like on a curly wig, and this is the length you get, so let's try this on. This is what the wig looks like, by the way, before you start messing with it. So these are the exact same wig, just 2 different lengths. There are 4 clips on this one as well. I'm just putting the adjustable straps so they don't get hooked onto my cornrows. How many girls have dealt with that? Like, have you ever put your wig on and you just felt these fucking clips unhook and get stuck to your braids? That is the most annoying shit ever. Go ahead and put this one on and see. Okay, so this is officially not Simply Nessa's channel. This is Prince's channel. This is the 16-inch one. So that's interesting to me. Like, that one is supposed to be like a whole 4 inches longer, and like they're not that big of a difference, you know? And now we're going to move on to the wavy 24 inches, y'all. Length. I love when my weave hits the floor. I love sitting on my weave. I've always been so scared to try 30 inches. Like, I'm slowly creeping up there. The longest I've ever done, I think, is 20 or 22 inches. So this is pushing it a little bit for me. I already know if I were to straighten this, oh my goodness, this would be so long. I'm really, really happy with the density of this wig. Like, this is like the perfect amount of hair. It's not too heavy and it's not super thin either. Let's see what she looks like on. I think I will also be dropping this one off with my hair lady. By the way, if any of you guys live in like Arizona, like the Phoenix area or the West Valley, and you do hair and you know how to do wigs and you know how to braid, girl, I will make you my hair lady. Just let me know. Please comment below, and if you guys see this person's comment, boost it up, like it so it can get to the top so I can see them, so they can get paid. Let me give you a check. I mean, I love the girl that does my hair, but she's always booked now, so she ain't got no time for me. Oh my goodness, yes. Ah, I'm back. Oh, I love this. Ah, I love this. Y'all, I get so excited over here. Oh, I feel like such a bad bitch. Bitch, don't play me. Bitch, bitch, bitch. I'm sorry, let me feel myself for a minute. Let me just feel myself. Okay. I'm just fucking it up now, I'm sorry. I love this. This is perfect. This is perfect. I see the potential. I know it looks like it's all over the place right now, but oh my gosh. This is gonna look so good. Like, this one just got me so excited. This is what makes me happy these days. Home decor and wigs. And you already have the baby hairs, so I wouldn't even have to take it. I could actually probably do this myself, huh? Yeah. Nah, I'm not gonna touch it. What I love about Klaiyi hair is the transparency of the lace. You guys look, the lace is pretty much my skin tone, and I'm not even in my final form. This is me during like the fall winter season, but when I get to summer, bitch, this is about to blend in so not. Ah! So yeah, these are the wigs. I'm really excited about this one for some reason. Y'all, I just love length. The Claremont twins got me on a whole nother fucking mood. Every time I see those girls get 40 inches installed, I'm like, I need that now. So I'm gonna go ahead and back up so you guys can see how long it is. Keep in mind, I am 5'8". I'm a big bitch. So if you're much shorter than me, this is gonna look even longer on you. So I'm backing up so we can see how long the, oh my, oh honey, oh girl. Okay, so I'm gonna stop now. That is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in any of these wigs, get this one or get the 20-inch curly one. Oh my gosh, those two are my favorite right now. I'm gonna see what happens if I spray water in it. I wonder if like they processed these waves or if like this is like the natural like, oh okay. The natural texture of this hair is like actually wavy curly. I love this. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys are interested in checking out Klaiyi hair or picking up any of their wigs or any bundles or whatever, I'm pretty sure they're probably still having a sale going on. They always got amazing deals on their website. I love hair, you guys. I have like a select handful of hair companies that I actually like can like vouch for, and this is definitely one of them. I'm so happy, and I haven't like, you see how much I've been messing with the hair? I haven't pulled any out yet, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, Klaiyi Hair, for providing such amazing hair and wigs because I'm a happy gal, and that is all that matters. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye! If you guys didn't know, I have a limited edition collection with Velvet Caviar. I have 2 phone cases and a key ring. So if you guys are interested in that, like I said, it is limited collection, a limited edition. Go check out the description. I have a link to the website. Whatever puts my heart at ease.